Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep it simple, smart, and scam-free. Today, we're comparing Blaze AI, Canva, and Picmonkey to find out if Picmonkey is really the best design management tool for you. So let's break it down. Blaze AI uses artificial intelligence to help you create stunning designs quickly and easily. It's perfect for those who want to speed up the design process while maintaining quality. If you need AI-powered design suggestions, Blaze AI has you covered. Canva is one of the most popular design tools out there, known for its user-friendly interface and template library. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced designers, offering everything from social media posts to business presentations. Picmonkey is a photo editing and design tool that focuses on ease of use, making it ideal for those looking to create high-quality designs quickly. It has advanced editing features but is still easy to use, especially for photo retouching and creating marketing materials. If you want AI-powered design to streamline your process, Blaze AI is a great choice. For versatility and a massive template library, Canva stands out. If you're specifically looking for a tool focused on photo editing with advanced features and design options, Picmonkey could be your best bet. So whether you need AI-enhanced designs, easy templates, or advanced photo editing, each tool has something unique to offer. This is How to Literally, keeping it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.